Yeah, that's why I said. J. Cole didn't love me around the so I don't need nobody texting me tomorrow.
Trying to do your push-ups like a soldier.
Where the fuck you put your
That's 100.
Huh? My stuff on J. Cole, buy the fuck.
Oh, I'm on TikTok. Oh, you talking about bruh?
Yeah.
Oh, why? Yeah, I'm listening.
Why the fuck he canceled my purse? That's some damn ass shit.
What person get you?
That little ass Glamour Holly bag. I guess he about to redo it, but
What bag?
it was a little ass Glamour Holly bag.
How much that cost?
Well, he only paid like 123. I guess I don't even know if he really got it.
Why he cancel it?
Cause he tried to say I was on some good shit. So then when I told him this, I said, you know, it's fine. He called you
What? He on the way to come get you?
He's supposed to be. Let me call him back.
All right, call us back.
Yeah. I'm talking about call us back. This is my motherfucking phone, man.
Right, get your shit, bro. Fuck wrong with her. Fuck wrong with her.
We gonna end up fighting tonight. He's relaxing. I'm like,
Oh, that's him on the phone?
she got 4
Bleed. Man,
on the other phone.
let me see him. Put me in the camera.
Yeah, you said that you see him.
Tell him, put him in the camera.
He don't have nothing. He can't see him.
He can't see me either?
He can see you.
What you on, Bleed? You in the car? Is he coming to get you or what?
On the way to her.
How you know that?
Because I was on the phone.
That's how it used to be. I used to be like that. Try to look all sweet time out. Let me see. Yo. Now I was saying, what did I say?
It's in a car. That's
Oh, I was saying you was in the wheels? Okay, you on the way to pick her up? You on the way to pick her up? Kill. Damn, bro. I wish I had that Benz, bro. We could have raced tonight. Wallahi. Hey, we could have raced tonight, bro.
He said he's trying to race a vet. How far you?
You ain't trying to race that vet. I'm gonna gap this shit out to a weekend if I get in that vet.
He said I'm lying.
Oh, he know better. I would have said there's no way.
He said he don't want to race that. What the fuck? I thought you was going to get in the vet and you raced there. What was that? How far say you went? Oh, you can't fall.
What?
I'm just asking how far you is because I want you to be. What's the house? 618. If he slap me, I'm definitely got to get drink on his ass. Don't even worry.
Oh, you know that. You know that.
They say you know what you said. You say you were 20 minutes. That's how you know they were doing the address.
Oh, who he talking to?
I'm not giving this up. You're not stopping me. I'm not in front of you. You stopping me. You weird as shit. I'm
Who wanna go live with Penna, man?
You know what? If I slap you, I'm weird. Are you gonna mace me?
Yes.
Oh, we not gonna. Ain't no mace coming into play, y'all. We ain't doing no mace.
Yo, we gonna get mates. He coming to my house to fly me? I'm not bringing no message in the house. What the fuck I need to bring me to? I'm saying, get married.
And I do my push-ups in the morning. Like, oh yeah. Dude, this hard shit right here. This hard shit, yeah. Hard shit. All that toxic couple shit y'all on this phone, man. I ain't trying to hear that. Tell why the fuck you taking my bitch? Who your bitch, Brody? Y'all seen that? Ah, shit right here. Ah, shit. What? 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 Yeah. Ah, shit. Put it out. Mixing it this shit. What? What? Alright, but you got them.
Nobody ever thought about saying, "Damn, I want to get a Facebook picture." It's oversaturated. And I don't think it's because it's oversaturated. I want to Snapchat because
They say you're like 120 wet, gang. Tell you, boy, put one of these on your boom. Boom. And I do my push-ups in the morning. Like, oh, yeah.
I try to do that shit
Y'all want to see me? But, all right, look. Who trying to go live and do push-ups with me?
You trying to tell me who trying to go live with you?
Don't make me put you on the camera. Don't make me do it too.
I look good, bitch.
Oh, she told y'all shit. Y'all ain't never did these before. Bow, bow.
Let's stop getting things like Bobby to fuck up.
Bruh, come on. Yeah. Get the phone.
What's up? You goofy as shit.
You ain't even the camera. She want to be at the camera bad as shit.
Y'all laughing at me? No, what you say?
Look how many people. Oh my, what they mean? You big.
Bitch, you not even big.
Somebody say you like Big Jones. That ain't my Jones, though. Oh, y'all better chill. She be putting Drake on shit.
Yeah. They ain't talking shit. And then. Where you at? Where they at talking shit?
Oh.
Let me get up on you.
Uh-oh.
She about to go on there.
I'm about to.
Wait, I didn't see this.
I don't even see her in.
She does doing it. I don't know how to remind her to talk shit.
I don't see her. You got requested, bro. Oh, she fried rice. And I do my push-ups in them. Of course, bruh. They handle that's bleed. You fuck with course side, yeah, they cool. Stand to see you leaving. bro. Where's my? Oh yeah, there she go.
I'm here.
There she go. Talk y'all shit. Whoever's talking shit, talk shit.
When you got 20 on that nigga head, then make it 40, nigga.
Yeah, go ahead.
How you do?
I'm about to do it. I'm about to get on the camera. I gotta, cause Bleed about to be outside. He on some,
Oh yeah.
he on some big trolling shit trying to smack me.
Damn. Backhand.
Somebody said I thought you was locked up.
It'd be
What?
a whole different conversation. Why I need dates is because like when you take me around like 16 and
Jameer.
They say you get your teas from Slime. This good fellow. She can't hear you. I got my AirPods in.
getting to have
Oh, I'm about to bring her stuff, but I don't have
She
her earrings.
she better bring you stuff, but she don't have your earrings.
what being a quarterback or what being a starter is. Just about 30 seconds, 30 seconds.
That
All right,
last
start the
ice
battle.
machine.
Start the battle.
How you do?
Hold on, let me see.
Like analogy, I do
You
analogy.
got.
My life is like
Dang, how the fuck do you do that?
You don't want to start no battle. You about to get in a car with Bleed. I ain't gonna lie. He gonna decoy the shit out of you.
it's like imagine you play my
Salam, sister.
roll the glory.
Walaikum salam.
You can see making it to
She
the
gotta go live. I did go live. He said I gotta go live.
that's how my supporters look at me.
Oh,
Like
All right,
you
I'm
gotta
about to
go
be
live.
back.
they're my okay. Could you
What you
duplicate
mean you better be?
your
I'm saying I gotta go live, and then first of all, I think we gotta follow each other. But that's
All right, let me follow you.
all right.
and I did it for a little while and then it got
Follow back.
so I stopped.
All
So
right,
Yo,
bet.
slime push-up contest. What the fuck? All
You
right,
in
I'm
there?
about to call. My fan is here. Thank you.
Let me see, bro. Stop, bro. She in here calling me, bro. She would call me, bro. He calling like shit, bro. Let me see that shit, bro. I don't care. I look good. Fuck wrong with her.
Now they tell me y'all remember Slime Honda. What the fuck? Hey, they real
And then he
fans.
laughing on the phone. It suck ass.
Don't call him a sucker.
I'm about to. All right, watch. See you, boy. Y'all think this shit a game? Don't
Nah,
try.
you think shit again. Don't play with him.
Y'all think this shit a,
I
he
got your back,
know.
boo. He not about to fake.
He know how this hard shit feel. He know.
Nah,
He
you
know how
know.
this hard shit
Nah,
feel.
you know how this hard shit feel.
You ain't ever
Give
put
me
hard shit
though.
on me. You
I
ain't
love
ever
her
put hard shit on
lashes.
me.
Thank you.
You never put hard shit on me.
I will. Yeah, and if y'all want some cases, y'all better come get them.
You never put hard shit on me. Don't get on here lying and styling.
No, you don't get on here bluffing.
I would say I would take those three. I would consistency.
Why
Let me
they
see,
keep
dude.
asking who the girl at the start of that video? Like, what the fuck?
Mishap. Like
Let them be weak, bitch. Ooh, let me stop cussing. Y'all said y'all need rubber bands. No, oh, we don't.
Let me see it to you right now.
we had shot my son
Yes.
and we were working out.
All y'all do is troll. Bitch, your motherfucking mother.
They tell me, Mike, can you do 10 pull-ups? Shit.
Why you can't do 10 pull-ups? I sure can. My fat ass sure can.
Damn, 20 might be pushing it, Slim.
The impact of it, like
Nah, don't she work at a school?
that was the thing.
My boy is sat in here. What's up, Bleed?
I do. I'll use analogies.
I'm about to make you a mob, Maya.
All right.